everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily create a watch list on investing.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, jump in towards your default web browser. For now I'm using Google Chrome, you can use it too. In the above search bar, you just have to type in the investing.com. This domain will lead you to the official web page of investing.com, and here you can find the option My Watch List. If you haven't created any watch list, default watch list has been created by the investing.com itself. You can rename it or you can open the new portfolio, and here you can click on the watch list option and enter the watch list name. Let's click the portfolio. So name this watch list trading portfolio. Click on the stock, click on and then after scroll a bit you can find various of stocks here. Click on the Microsoft and let's click on the add to watch list. Choose the watch list you want to put Microsoft stock in, and there you go, you have created the watch list on investing.com. Hopefully this video helped you to create a watch list on investing.com. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days. To never miss any updates related trading and investing, you can just subscribe to our channel, set the bell icon to all, like the video, comment your feedbacks and queries. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, have a nice time.